So there was this email in my inbox the other day from Retouch4Me, and they were reaching out to me to sponsor a video, but I was a little reluctant because all the other AI photo retouching apps that I've seen unnaturally smooth out the skin, making the photos look obviously fake. So I didn't pay the email no mind, and a few days went by and I was sitting in the studio and I said to myself, you know what? With AI photography tools getting as powerful as they have been lately, let me go ahead and give their software a try and see what it can do. Hey man, you know that sponsored video you were asking about? Let's do it. So there's 12 tools in total, and they can be used as standalone apps or as plugins to Adobe Photoshop. The first one is called Heal, and it's for retouching portraits to remove blemishes, scars, or any other unsightly imperfections in your photos. It does an amazing job at getting rid of imperfections while maintaining the natural complexion of the skin. It doesn't produce that overly smooth, plastic-looking effect that you get with many other retouching apps. And for the most part, the AI was able to deal with whatever I threw at it. Pimples, acne scars, insect bites, whatever. And all the before and afters I'm showing you were pretty much done with just one click. So if you've been paying a professional retoucher to edit your photos, or if you've been doing it yourself, then this tool is gonna save you a lot of time and money. The next tool is called Dodge and Burn. This is similar to the Heal tool, but it serves a slightly different purpose. It's meant to smooth out skin folds, wrinkles, bags under the eyes, veins, etc. It automatically identifies any problem areas and gets to work right away. And I love the fact that it allows you to adjust the strength of the effect to your own liking. If you set it to full blast, it might make you look about 20 years younger, which might be what some of your clients want. But I think most people will prefer a more subtle approach. I find that if you set it to about 50% or a little bit less, it gives you good results while still looking realistic and believable. And when you combine the Dodge and Burn tool with the Heal tool, you could pretty much make anyone look photogenic, even if they were having one of those not so good days, if you know what I mean. Now, before I show you the next tool, I wanted to briefly mention that Retouch4Me is not subscription based, where you have to pay as you go. You pay a one-time fee, and the tools are yours to keep and use forever. And this has a number of advantages over the monthly subscription model. It's not only that it's a one-time affordable payment, but it's also that you don't have to worry about any confidentiality issues for your clients, because everything is processed on your machine and nothing is sent to the cloud. It also means that you don't have to be connected to the internet to be able to use these tools. And that brings us to the next tool, which is called Color Match. And this AI tool color grades your images by using a reference image. You could simply take a screenshot of your favorite photographer's work and apply the colors to your own images. And if you're going for a more stylized, cinematic type of look, you could grab a scene out of a movie and use that as your reference image. Now, there's a lot of other AI tools that attempt to do this as well, but the problem that many of them have is that they apply the colors across the whole image, making skin tones look unnatural. Retouch4Me's AI algorithm is smart enough to keep the skin tones within an acceptable tonal range, regardless of how extreme the color grade is. So you can get amazing looking colors without having to worry about messing with sliders, curves, color wheels, or any of that. Now, as is the case with many of my videos, I've most definitely saved the best for last, because after seeing how powerful these AI tools are, you're probably thinking that they cost a whole bunch of money. But don't worry, because not only are they affordably priced at $124, but you can even get a 20% discount by using the link in the description below. And if you want to test out any of these tools before committing to buying them, you can even try them for free. So yeah, if you're looking for a one-click, simple solution to retouching and coloring your photos, then these tools are for you. Thanks again to Retouch4Me for sponsoring this video. And speaking of videos, if you're like me and you do videography alongside your photography, then you most definitely want to watch this video next, where I tell you about 7 of the best AI tools available for filmmakers and videographers. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content. I appreciate you watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. It's Fulan Creative signing out. Peace.